Hello and welcome back to Robotics with Om sir. So as you have seen in the video, we are using one more CyberPi to control our MBOT2 and we are using that CyberPi as a remote controller for our MBOT2. So in this video, we will see how to write code for that CyberPi. Before that, let's understand mechanism behind this first. So here you will need one extra CyberPi. And what you have to do, you have to connect both the CyberPi to the same network. So if you are having access point or hotspot, you have to connect these two CyberPi to that network, so that what first CyberPi will do, first CyberPi 1, which is not attached to mBot2, will send broadcast the message in a network, and then what second CyberPi will do, which is attached to the mBot2, will receive that message, will read that message, and then it will execute the instructions depending on the message received. So this is working mechanism. We have to pass one message from CyberPi 1 and we have to receive one message, that same message by CyberPi 2, and then we have to execute some instructions. So let's start with the CyberPi 1. So for CyberPi 1, I will take when CyberPi starts up, then we have to connect it to the Wi-Fi first, then connect using your SSID and password. SSID is by default your Wi-Fi name, so write your Wi-Fi name here and password, and then check that whether the network is connected or not. So if it is connected, then only show the connected message. So I will take wait until block, when until it is connected, and if it is connected, I will print one message as connected at the center of screen. And then what you have to do, you have to write code for message passing. So you have to pass one message from CyberPi 1 to LAN network. So I will take one forever loop. For that we have to continuously pass the messages. So forever loop, in forever I will take if condition is from sensing, if condition is that if joystick pulled upward direction, then we have to send one message in LAN as forward. So I will send message with value forward. If you are unable to find any block here, you have to go to extension, and from extensions you have to add this extension like mBot2 shield. Next, if joystick is pulled upward direction, I will broadcast one message as forward. So you have to do same message, you have to send for all four action of joystick. So forward, backward, just value you have to change, left and right. So pull downward, pull left and pull right. So that's it. This is code for CyberPi 1, which is not attached to mBot2. Then we have to write code for receive these messages and trigger some events according to the message received. So you have to connect this CyberPi also to the network. For that, take same block when CyberPi starts up, and then connect using same SSID and password which you have used for CyberPi 1. And then here also check whether it is connected to network or not. So if it is connected, then only show the message as connected. So from display you can print any message at the center of screen. So I will print connected if it is connected to the Wi-Fi. So I will get to know that it is connected and we are ready to go. So next thing is that you have to trigger when receiving message broadcast on LAN. So when the CyberPi 2 is receiving the message on LAN, then here which action you have to perform? Same, that action is depend on what message is received. So if LAN broadcast message value received is forward, then we have to move forward. So check that value using is equal to operator. If that value is forward, it means we have to move forward. So I'll take move forward. So for all messages we can receive forward, backward, left or right message, right? So only these 4 messages we can receive. So we will write 4 condition for 4 messages: forward, backward and left and right. Then here also I will change to backward, left and right. Now again I'll explain both the codes. So for CyberPi 1, what we have to do in first 3-4 blocks, we have to connect our CyberPi to access point using SSID and password, and we have to print if network is connected or CyberPi is connected to the hotspot, then we have to print connected. And in for our loop we have to check condition if joystick in which side it is pulled. If it is pulled in upward direction, we have to send the message forward on LAN, and if downward pulled, we have to send message backward. If left pulled, we have to send message left. If right pulled, we have to send the message right. So these messages we are sending on LAN. And for second CyberPi, we have to check that which message we have received. So depending on, we are giving different condition. If LAN broadcast message we have received with the value forward, actually we are comparing that message value. So what value we have received in that message. So in that message, suppose we have received forward, so then we have to move forward at 50 RPM. So one more condition you can implement here. For stop condition, if button B is pressed, stop all script. So give that, or in if, give if button B is pressed, then stop all motors, all EM, stop encoder motors, all these condition you can give. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.